You deserve better energy around you. You deserve to be in spaces that feel authentic, that feel like coming home to yourself, not forced energy, not draining energy, and certainly not people who only show up when it benefits them, leaving you depleted. Healing changes your standards. It's a quiet revolution within. You begin to notice what feels genuine and what feels heavy. Your intuition gets louder. You stop chasing attention. You stop begging for understanding. You stop apologizing for your boundaries. And you slowly learn that peace is more valuable than validation. The truth is, your environment affects you more than you realize. The conversations you have, the people you surround yourself with, the energy around you, everything either feeds your growth or drains it. There is no in between. That is why protecting your peace becomes necessary. It becomes your most important work, because the version of you that is evolving now cannot survive in constant chaos. So choose better energy. Choose people who inspire growth, who celebrate your light. Choose environments that calm your spirit. Choose peace even when it means walking alone for a while. Because healing sometimes requires distance from what no longer aligns with your future. It's an act of profound self-respect. And one day, you will look back and thank yourself for finally choosing yourself, for having the courage to protect your own heart. If this message spoke to you, subscribe to It Is In You TV for more healing, growth, and cinematic motivation, and comment peace if you are protecting your energy this season.